We built these tabletop sawhorses several years ago, and they have turned out to be a very useful thing for the workshop. They're easy to manage, easy to store, and easy to build. Each set can be built out of one 2x4. For each horse, you'll need one piece of 2x4 cut to a 16-inch length, and two more 2x4s that measure 8 inches. For the base of the horse, you'll work with the 8-inch pieces. On one side, you need to notch out for the legs, so measure over 2 inches from each side, and then up 3/4 of an inch and draw a line. On the other side, you need to notch out for the cross member, so measure over from each end 3 1/4 inches and then up 3/4 of an inch and again draw a line. Cut out using a handsaw, jigsaw, or bandsaw. In the shorter cutout area, drill a pilot hole using a 3/16" bit and secure the cross member to the base using a 3 1/2" screw. Do the same thing on the other end and then repeat the entire process one more time for your second horse. The original tabletop sawhorse, a handy must-have for every studio or shop.